One of the greatest footballers of all time, Cristiano Ronaldo has broken many records on social media ever since he announced the launch of his YouTube channel, You Are Cristiano. However, what's mind-boggling is the fact that Ronaldo's YouTube channel has put him high up in the race to become the first ever person to reach the 1 billion mark across the social media platforms. That's right, at the time of publishing this report, his overall following is already jaw-dropping 967.4 million, with 112.7 million on X, formerly known as Twitter, 170 million on Facebook, 637 million followers on Instagram, and 47.7 million followers on YouTube. Cristiano Ronaldo is already among the world's richest athletes. He enjoys a hefty income from his social media platforms, and his YouTube channel has further added significantly to his wealth. According to the Spanish publication Marca, Ronaldo earned nearly $100 million within the first 72 hours of launching his YouTube account.